Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your network path and necessary ports. First, plug in an Ethernet cable or switch to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi band so latency drops. Once done, make sure your router allows the game's TCP and UDP ports or forward them to your machine. Also disable VPNs and proxies because they often block traffic. If you use a software firewall, allow the game executable. These actions fix most connection blocking causes before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you handle client and router configuration to stabilize sessions. Update the game client and your operating system so compatibility issues are removed. Then power cycle your router and flush your DNS cache to clear stale routes. If NAT type is strict, change settings or enable UPnP to open it. This reduces refused connections. If you notice packet loss, try lowering the MTU slightly to avoid fragmentation. Following these steps prevents mid-connection refusals that manifest. Finally, you wrap up and verify the fixes. If issues persist, reinstall the game client to remove corrupted files, then restart and test connecting again. Try joining the game from another device on the same network to determine if the problem is local to your machine. If the error remains, contact your ISP and ask whether they block the game's ports. Request a whitelist if they do. This last check resolves stubborn external blocks that cause error 279 and gets you back online.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.